What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com, check me out. Today's video, Teespring tutorial, we're going to go through the infamous Teespring trust score that everyone is asking me about. I kind of made a video on this the other day, but I want to dive into it more. So people are asking how you get that trust score and why their shirts aren't being discovered on Teespring when they search them out. And I'll have another video diving into that more, but make sure you stay to the end of this one as we go through how you build up your Teespring trust score and how it works, and what you need to do to make more sales on Teespring. So thanks very much for everyone that's watching. Please give it a like and please hit subscribe. Alright guys, here with Hershey chilling on the couch as usual, sleeping as she does. So there's two things with getting your trust score in the first place with Teespring. The first one is you need to verify your payment details. So if you haven't done that yet, make sure you go ahead and do that. This is actually very similar to a lot of affiliate programs that you'll join if you're into affiliate marketing. If you haven't verified your payment details and sometimes your tax details, they will not actually allow you to become an affiliate. So it's very common with a lot of things. So next time you sign up to an affiliate program or whatever and wondering why you're not getting paid out, that's probably going to be the issue. But anyway, the second thing with Teespring is that you need to make sales. So if you haven't made any sales yet, it's not going to establish a trust score to begin with. All right, guys. So the next step here, you need to get sales and you need to get legitimate sales. So if you've purchased shirts yourself and you think that that's going to work, Teespring is actually onto that. So you need to have, you could game the system if you wanted to and go and purchase from different IP addresses. But if you're purchasing from the same IP address that you signed up for your account with, they will know that you're obviously trying to game the system. So they need to be verified purchases, and this is exactly why we want to be pushing traffic through our social media channels and trying to get people to make purchases that way. All right, guys, so we've gone over how Teespring trust score can be built up, but did you know that you can also hurt the trust score? So quite annoying as well that you can actually hurt it. But the way that you hurt it is only two real ways, and they're both to do with copyright. So if you're copywriting images and, if you're doing things like brands, if you had the Nike tick on there, things like that, just silly things that you shouldn't be doing and nothing that I've shown you guys to do so far in this, this series of Teespring tutorials that I've done. So if you're not doing that, you're not going to have an issue, but Teespring will recognize that and you will get penalized. So your trust score will go down and they'll probably take you off their network, like off their marketplace. So be aware of that. Another thing is if you're copywriting, hang on, I'll just change hands. If you're copywriting, sorry, I was getting a sore arm. If you're copywriting the other people's designs on Teespring, if you're copywriting their designs, you're also going to get negative trust score that way as well. So two things to be aware of, guys. They're to do with copyright, but it's nothing that I've shown you guys so far. All I've ever shown you guys is to model what's working for other people and to make your own version, and also to use Typorama, which is the app, to create your own designs. So it's going to be different than other people as well. And also to use placeit.net to make your own designs with their logo maker. So just don't copy anyone exactly, guys, and don't copy, trademark brands like Nike and Adidas and things like that, and you'll be fine. Okay, so what's the actual benefit to having that good trust score? The benefit is if people are just going out and copying all your designs and uploading them onto Teespring as well, like I'm showing people my store, if people copy me exactly and upload the exact same things, then they're actually going to get negative feedback and negative trust score, which will make sure that they don't show up in the marketplace as much as someone who's doing the right thing. So that's one thing. The other thing is if you have a really good trust score, you're actually going to get onto Teespring's boosted network. What the boosted network is Teespring actually pay to promote your shirts or people with high trust score and shirts that they want to onto websites like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, things like that. So this is something that they've been working on for quite a while, and if you do the right thing, you can get promoted by them and then put onto these bigger marketplaces and make a lot more money. So that's what some of these people that make hundreds of thousands of dollars with Teespring. They are obviously getting promoted onto the boosted network as well, and they're making a lot of money that way. So that's one of the benefits of doing the right thing and constantly, uploading good designs. And so as you can see, guys, the Teespring Trust Score has a huge benefit. So you can get onto that boosted network, you can get promoted by Teespring and obviously make a lot more money that way. So can you see your Teespring Trust Score? That's the real question. No, you can't, which makes it hard, but as long as you're doing the right things and doing everything I covered in this video, you're gonna have a very good success rate and good chance of making a lot of money on Teespring. So if you have any questions about any of that, drop them down below. I'm loving to engage with you guys. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Please give it a like. Please hit subscribe, and plenty more Teespring and print on demand videos in the future. Cheers.